Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create your username on Messenger app. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account with your Facebook account, and then go to main menu and then go to settings, and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. You have to simply do is click on that username below the avatar. Click on that, and then you will see over here your username must be unique and will be visible in search on Messenger. So you have to do is type over here your username. So I want to type over here this username and then click on done. But in this you will never add any special words over here or special character over here. For me, I want to add over here like scale up and then like 01, like 416. Account not eligible for a username. So I'm not getting any of these because my account is private, or like this because I have created it like a week ago, so that's why it's not possible for me. But in your case, you have to simply add over here your username that you want to add in this your Messenger app, and it's gonna be like click on the save button on the top right corner, and then it's gonna be saved in your Messenger ID. And whenever your friends search for it, they have to go to search bar and then type your username, and then your ID will pop up on the top. And that's it. That's how you can create your username. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.